Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Blanca. I hope you hit that subscribe button if you have not. I decided to do another makeup tutorial. Hope you guys are enjoying these makeup tutorials. And this look came out beautifully. Yeah, I think it's perfect for, I don't know, if you want to wear it for Valentine's Day, around the house, if you want to wear it to work, wherever. Of course, I used my Modern Renaissance palette again. I just love this palette. It's absolutely beautiful. I love all the shades and they just blend really nicely. So that's why I love this palette. And if you don't have this palette, I definitely recommend it because it's stunning. It's beautiful. It's one of my favorite palettes. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Let's get right into the tutorial. All right, let's start. So I'm going in with the shade Burnt Orange, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease, and I'm just going to build up the intensity little by little. And by the way, you guys, my eyes were primed before I started. Next up is Love Letter. I love this shade. It's so pretty. I'm going to be actually using the brush that came in this palette. I'm just using the flat side to pack on the shade, and I'm focusing it on my inner and outer corner of my eyes. And I then just flip the brush over and just use the fluffy side to blend it all in nicely, just to get rid of any harsh lines. I'm then going to take my first brush and just run that along my crease just to make sure it all blends in really nicely. I'm then going in with Vermeer and I'm applying this to the center of my lid. Originally I was going to do a halo eye, but I don't know, it didn't work out. I have hooded lids, so I should have gone way higher and I should have put concealer down. But yeah, then just to blend out the edges, I'm going back in with Love Letter and just blending those edges out just so everything looks nicely blended. I'm then going in with Tempera, I don't know how to pronounce that, and I'm just adding that to my brow bone, and then I'm going over top of it with Vermeer for a nice brow bone highlight. Once you're happy with all the blending you've done, you can remove the tape and you should end up with something like this. These are my DO5 lashes, and I just apply them off camera just because it's faster and easier. It just saves time. Then I'm going in with my Coconut Rose Hydrating Face Mist and just spraying that all over my face to give me some hydration. And for my moisturizer, I've been using this a lot lately and I freaking love it. It's by Origins and it's the Original Skin Matte Moisturizer with Willow Herb. It's so amazing, you guys. It makes your makeup look so good. And then I'm just going in with my primer, which was the LA Girl HD primer, and I'm using my Maybelline Super Long Stay Full Coverage Foundation. I love this foundation as well. It's amazing. And to conceal and highlight, I'm using my Wet n Wild Light Medium Beige Concealer, and I'm just blending all of that in with my beauty sponge. I'm then setting my face with my Too Faced setting powder just so that my bronzer goes on really nicely and there are no streaks. And I'm just using my Hoola Benefit Bronzer just to contour and add some structure and definition to my face. To add some color to my cheeks, I'm going in with Milani's Romantic Rose. Moving back to my eyes, I'm going to be taking Burnt Orange and Love Letter and just applying that to my lower lash line. I am then just going to line my waterline with a nude pencil and just apply mascara to my bottom lashes. I'm then going in with this beautiful shimmery shade by the company called Shop Miss A. I'll have it down below. It's in the shade L9. It's so beautiful and I love it to highlight my inner corners. For my highlighter, I'm going in with Precious Petals by Wet n Wild. This highlighter is absolutely gorgeous and it's so affordable. It's my favorite highlighter. I am also taking Wet n Wild's setting spray and just setting my face so that it lasts all day. I almost forgot to put on lipstick. I don't know why, but I'm going in with LA Girl's lip pencil in Cappuccino, and then I'm using Wet n Wild's liquid lipstick in the shade Rebel Rose. This is a beautiful shade, and then I'm just going in with Satin Ribbon by NYX and just applying that to the middle part of my lips and just blending that in with my finger. So this completes the look, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!